Your mind is more powerful than you think, especially when it comes to money. This is mind over money, millionaire mindset techniques. The way we think, the beliefs we hold, they all play a crucial role in shaping our financial future. Having the right mindset is not just about thinking positively, it's cultivating a relationship with money that is healthy, proactive, and informed. We often underestimate the power of our thoughts, but they are the architects of our reality. They influence our decisions, our behaviors, and ultimately, our financial outcomes. Are we making choices that propel us towards wealth, or are we stuck in patterns that keep us in financial stagnation? Our mindset can be the difference between freedom and a life of stress. It's the cornerstone of financial success. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive deeper into the millionaire mindset. Cultivating a wealthy mindset is the first step towards financial success. But what exactly does this mean? A wealthy mindset goes beyond the desire to amass riches. It's a way of thinking, a lens through which you view the world. At its core, it's abundance thinking. People with a wealthy mindset don't see the world as a pie with limited slices. Instead, they see potential for growth and expansion everywhere. They focus on possibilities, not limitations. They believe in an ever-expanding pie, where success does not deplete resources but generates more. Moving on, let's talk about long-term planning, another key characteristic of a wealthy mindset. Those with a wealthy mindset don't just live for the moment, they're strategic, always thinking ahead, making decisions today that will benefit them tomorrow. They understand that building wealth is not an overnight event, but a journey. They're patient and willing to delay gratification for the sake of their future. And then, there's continuous learning. Those who maintain a wealthy mindset understand that knowledge is power. They're always eager to learn, to grow, to better themselves. They read, research, and ask questions. They're not afraid to seek advice or admit when they don't know something. They understand that their financial education is never complete. In the quest for wealth, they're not just looking to earn more, but to learn more. Midway through our exploration of the wealthy mindset, let's take a quick pause. Listen, cultivating a wealthy mindset isn't about greed or materialism. It's about recognizing the potential for abundance, planning for the future, and valuing continuous learning. Like having the courage to dream big and the determination to make those dreams a reality. In essence, a wealthy mindset is more than money. It's freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Remember, your mindset is the foundation upon which your financial future is built. Cultivating a wealthy mindset is a crucial step towards financial success. Limiting beliefs can be a major obstacle to financial success. They are the invisible barriers that hold us back from achieving our fullest potential. It's like driving a high-performance car with the parking brake on. You're not going to get very far, are you? Let me explain. One belief that often rears its head is the thought that money is the root of all evil. But money, in and of itself, is not evil. It's simply a tool that can be used for good or ill, depending on the person wielding it. Another common limiting belief is that I'm not good with money. This belief can be especially damaging because it prevents you from taking control of your finances. But remember, financial literacy is not an innate talent. It's a skill that can be learned and improved upon. So how can we overcome these limiting beliefs? The first step is to recognize them. It's hard to change something if you don't know it's there. Next, challenge your beliefs. Is there evidence to support them? More often than not, you'll find that these beliefs are based on misconceptions or outdated information. Once you've challenged your beliefs, it's time to replace them with more empowering ones. Instead of thinking, money is the root of all evil, try thinking, money is a tool that I can use to improve my life and the lives of others. Instead of, I'm not good with money, think, I am capable of learning and improving my financial skills. Finally, reinforce your new beliefs through action. If you believe you can improve your financial skills, then take a course, read a book, or seek advice from a financial advisor. Remember, it's not enough to just change your beliefs, you need to change your actions as well. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. As we continue our journey towards financial mastery, keep in mind that changing your beliefs is a process, not a one-time event. It requires time, patience, and persistence. But with each limiting belief you overcome, you'll be one step closer to achieving your financial goals. Remember, your beliefs shape your financial reality, so shape a reality that leads you to wealth and prosperity. Setting financial goals is a must for your financial journey. Imagine yourself embarking on a trip without a destination. You would be driving aimlessly, burning fuel and wasting time. The same principle applies to your finances. Without clear and specific financial goals, you might find yourself wandering in the wilderness of financial uncertainty. Now let's talk about the significance of setting money goals. They provide a sense of direction, a target to aim for. They motivate you to save, invest, and make smart financial decisions. They are the lighthouse that guides you through the foggy waters of financial uncertainty. How do you set effective financial goals? It starts with being specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $200 every month. This specificity gives you a clear target to aim for and makes it easier to track your progress. Next, make sure your goals are measurable. You should be able to track your progress and know when you've achieved your goal. For instance, if your goal is to save $2,000 for a vacation, you can measure your progress by how much closer you are to the $2,000 mark. Lastly, ensure your goals are time-bound. Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency and motivates you to take action. If your goal is to save $2,000, you might decide to achieve this within a year. This gives you a clear timeline and helps you plan your savings accordingly. Now let's not forget about the importance of flexibility. Your financial situation can change, and so can your goals. Don't be afraid to adjust them as necessary. Remember, the ultimate goal is financial success, and sometimes the road to success requires a few detours. This power cannot be overstated. They are the compass that directs your financial decisions, the fuel that drives your money engine, and the anchor that keeps your financial ship steady in stormy waters. Your goals are the roadmap to your success. So set your goals, follow them diligently, and watch as you navigate your way to prosperity. Continuous learning is a key characteristic of the millionaire mindset. Imagine standing on a never-ending escalator. The moment you stop moving, you begin to descend. The same principle applies to financial literacy. To maintain and grow your wealth, it's vital to keep learning, to keep climbing. Continuous learning allows you to adapt, evolve, and stay ahead of the financial curve. The world of finance is ever evolving. New investment opportunities arise, tax laws change, and economic conditions fluctuate. If you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. But by committing to continuous learning, you're choosing to stay informed, to stay on top of your game. It's about being proactive, not reactive. But where do you start? There's a wealth of knowledge out there, waiting to be tapped into. Books, podcasts, online courses, seminars, mentorships. These are all valuable resources at your disposal. From understanding the basics of personal finance to mastering investment strategies, there's something for everyone, no matter where you are in your financial journey. Let's talk about books. They're an affordable and accessible way to gain insights from financial experts. They offer timeless wisdom on wealth building and the mindset required for financial success. Podcasts and online courses are also fantastic resources. They offer bite-sized, digestible information that you can consume on the go. The beauty of these platforms is that they cover a wide range of topics, so you can tailor your learning to your specific needs and interests. And let's not forget about mentorships and seminars. Learning from someone who's already achieved what you aspire to can be incredibly powerful. It provides a real-life example of what's possible and gives you the opportunity to learn from their successes and mistakes. Remember, continuous learning is implementing what you learn. It's taking action, because knowledge without action is just information. Embracing financial responsibility is important in the millionaire mindset. It's like being the captain of your own ship, navigating the vast ocean of financial decisions. This isn't just about paying bills on time, it goes far beyond that. It's about understanding where every penny of your income goes and making conscious decisions about how to allocate it. Financial responsibility involves setting realistic budgets, saving for the future, and making informed investment decisions. It's about acknowledging the power of compound interest and the dangers of debt, knowing the difference between assets and liabilities, and striving to increase the former while reducing the latter. The millionaire mindset isn't just accumulating wealth, it's managing it wisely, transforming from a consumer to a producer, from a spender to a saver, from a debtor to an investor, taking control, taking action, and taking charge of your financial future. Remember, your financial success is in your hands.